Hello guys, how are you? Welcome to my channel Legit Online Earning, and today I am back with updated video of Aliens World. As you know that Alien World TLM token has been announced on the Binance exchange, and it is being rewarded as a result of BNB and BUSD staking. So today I'm gonna show you how much we can get per day on Binance if we stake, like maybe I'm gonna show you the calculations. So let's check it out. First of all, let me show you the alien words. So TLM is its symbol. TLM is the short symbol. Okay, you can see that. Let me show you an amazing fact here is that it's on 230 rank in the coin cap market, in the coin market cap. Yesterday when I made the video, it was on, you can see here where I'm showing the mouse, it was on 2426 ranked. Okay, yesterday it was on 2426 ranking with watch list of 6467 people, and the price was 3.28. And today it has crossed 2000 positions, and it's ranking in the early 230. So it's a strong project. Whenever a Binance exchange announce the project, it always get a very big hype. So it is a big hype coin, Alien Words, as it is a gaming coin. The gaming community, you can see the tags here. So today's video is about how much can you earn through the TLM by staking. Although you can trade it on MX exchange, there is a market. Let me show you the market here. Yeah, MX exchange, it was announced maybe 3 to 4 days ago on the MXC exchange. So for those people who can't or don't want to buy on the MXC exchange, they can get free they can get free TLM from the Binance. So today I have made some calculations. Okay, this is the calculation. I'm gonna let you know within a second, within time, but today let me show you. This is my reward right now, which has not been claimed. I'm gonna claim them right now. Total I have received 3.4 TLM. It means that what is the current price? 3. So let's assume that $3 is the current, or we can say that it's the base price. Okay, so I have made these coins I made yesterday maybe. So let me show you the calculation. 3.49 into 3, let's suppose it. So I have made $10 on by just taking my BUSD. So let's go head over to the calculations I made. So let me show you. You can see the amount. There you go, 1,898 BUSD I have staked. So there is the amount I staked. I got this amount TLM in 12 hours, which is 1.85. So let's assume the calculation. If you could have staked 1 BUSD, then in 12 hours I would have got 0.9747 TLM in 12 hours. Okay, and then let's calculate the per day staking. So let's divide it by 12. We get the 1 hour staking. That's the 1 hour if you stake only 1 BUSD. Have you got it? Okay, you can stop the video here and you can calculate. You can see the calculations. And the main thing is, if you stake 1 BUSD, $1, okay, $1, if you have $1 in your account, you are getting like 0.001949. Okay, this is the amount you're getting per day. Let me show you. Okay, this is the amount I'm getting. Let me check it. Is recording? Yes, recording. So this is the amount I'm getting per day. Okay, TLM, if I stake 1 BUSD. So this is the base. You can calculate by this calculation. If you want to calculate. So it means if you stake $1, you are getting 0.00199494 TLM per day. That's on the Binance. Okay, this is the base calculation. Now we have got the base calculation. Now just give your numbers, the amount you want to enter. You're gonna get your per day calculations. So I have, if you stake like $1,000, okay, if you have $1,000 which is spare in your Binance, sometimes Binance, you have put your orders on the Binance, but it is not usable. You can see on your spot wallet that your USDT or Tether would be, they are doing nothing. So you better convert them into the BUSD, okay, and then you can stake. If you have got the opportunity to get the reward, you never know. The opportunities in crypto is unbelievable. So if you have $1,000 in your account BUSD, if you stake them, then you are getting like this amount. You're getting approximately 2 TLM, okay, 2 TLM per day. Okay, got it? If you have $1,000, you're getting 2 TLM per day. Okay, so let's assume if the price of TLM is $3, okay, then you are getting $5.84 per day on $1,000 staking. Okay, got it? So this is the opportunity you're getting without trading, without doing anything. You are getting, little drops of water make the sea. That's simple theory. So even though you are getting some amount, you are getting something. Without, if you're getting nothing, you're getting something. So okay, so you're getting $5.84 per day on $1,000 staking. Okay, now I have calculated the APY. Let's suppose if you have $1,000 on staking, okay, and you are getting $5.84 per day. If the base price of TLM is $3, and let me show you, the price is fluctuating between 2 to 3, and this is in between, and I'm very hoping that this is the base price on which Binance is going to list on the trading day. It can go to 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, whatever the volatility, so we have to be prepared for that. But the base price, okay, the base price on TLM was also in between 2 and 3. So let's assume that the base price is 3, you're getting like this amount. Okay, so if the $3 is the base amount, okay, then the calculation of APY is you are getting 0.5% per day. Okay, if the base price is 3. I'm again and again telling you why, because if the base price changes, APY changes. Okay, so you have to calculate, you have to keep an eye on the base price of TLM $3. Okay, if it comes to $2, the APY is gonna change. So it all depends on this $3. So let's assume, again I'm telling you, if it's $3, then you are getting like 0.5, almost 0.5 APY per day, percent per day. So this is the calculation I have made for 1 day, 7 days, 30 days, 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, and then 1 year. So if you let's say the farming is gonna continue for 1 month, okay, they have somewhere, let me show you. Yeah, this is the TLM tokens over 30 days. Okay, the farming starts from 7th of April, and it's gonna continue to over 30 days. Okay, so this is the period, farming period, 7th of April till 6th of May. That would be the last date. So you have 1 month. So let's calculate that you're staking for 1 month, then you would be getting like approximately 17%. Okay, so it is the 17%. But if we calculate the per year APY, because the APYs are usually calculated yearly, so they're gonna show you, they're gonna show you the range of 213. So 213% is the APY if it continues like this. So that's the calculations I have made. So if you stake this amount, you know, if even though you're getting 17%, that's a lot of, that's a decent amount of money you're getting, at least without doing anything. You just have to stake your dollars to and in return you're getting TLM. So if you're getting 10,000, if you if you stake $10,000, then you're getting like maybe $50 per day. That's a lot of money. So be ready for the TLM token. It's going to rock because the world is hyping. This coin is being hyped on the Twitter, on every social media platform. So I'm hoping that this coin may go to $5, $6, $7. Although this is only based on the hype. This is the hyped coin, news coin. Usually in the hyped and the news coins go, they go volatile. They are very volatile coins. You can't make TAs on them, because on one day they might go to $7, $8, $10, and the very next day it can go down as well. So you better be making profit. Okay, there's a one saying in the crypto. I've been crypto since 2017, and there is one thing I have experienced is that don't love the coin, love your profits. When you're getting the profit, just take it and just move on, find another one. Okay, so this is the thing I wanted to tell you guys. So the last video I made about alien words, you see that it was on 6,000, so it is increasing, and I'm impressed by the ranking. It might come into the hundreds, maybe in the ranking top 100 in the coming days. So you better go to buy this coin on MXC or just stake your USDTs, because this coin is going to be a big coin. Okay, so that's it. That's all from today. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up, and also if you want a prediction of any coin, in my limited knowledge, I will try to do the TA for you guys for any coin you wanted to. Next videos I'm gonna show you some fundamentals, how you can, there is a website on the Google which can you can easily cross check the coins on the basis of their fundamentals. Okay, so I'm gonna meet you till next time. Take care. Bye bye.